Confident. It means who is self assured. For example, why did she speak without hesitation? She believed in herself. Arrogant. It means who is overly proud. For example, why do people avoid talking to him? He sounds arrogant. Optimistic. Who expects good things to happen is known as optimistic. For example, why does she expect good results? She is optimistic. Pessimistic. Who expects bad things to happen is known as pessimistic. For example, why does he expect failure? He is pessimistic. Careless. It means who is not careful. For example, why did he lose his documents? He didn't pay attention. Curious. It means who wants to know. For example, why does she keep asking questions? She loves learning new things. Disciplined. It means who follow rules. For example, why does he achieve his goals easily? He follows a strict routine daily. Adaptable. It means able to adjust easily to new situations. For example, why did she settle quickly in the new city? She adjusts well to changes. Shy. It means socially reserved. For example, why doesn't he speak much in groups? He is shy. Lazy. Who avoids work and effort is known as lazy. For example, why didn't he finish the task? He keeps delaying everything. Carefree. It means who is not worried about problems. For example, why does he enjoy life so much? He doesn't stress over small things. Insecure. Lacking confidence in oneself is known as insecure. For example, why does she compare herself with others? She doubts her own abilities. Emotional. Who is strongly influenced by feelings is known as emotional. For example, why did he react strongly to criticism? He took the comments personally. Timid. Who is shy and easily scared is known as timid. For example, why didn't he raise his hand in class? He was afraid of speaking in front of others. Cautious. It means who is careful to avoid problems or mistakes. For example, why did he read the instructions twice? He didn't want to make a mistake. Humorous. It means who makes people laugh. For example, why was everyone relaxed in the meeting? Because he added humor to the conversation. Irresponsible. It means who avoids duties. For example, why did the project fail? He didn't take his responsibilities seriously. Hesitant. It means who is unsure or doubtful. For example, why didn't she answer immediately? She was unsure about her decision. Cold. It means who is emotionally distant. For example, why did she respond without emotion? She doesn't express feelings easily. Friendly. It means who is warm and kind. For example, why did people enjoy talking to him? He made others feel comfortable. Stingy. It means who is unwilling to give or share. For example, why doesn't he help the poor man? He doesn't like spending money. Observant. It means who notices small details. For example, why did she find the mistake quickly? She pays attention to everything. Stubborn. It means who refuses to change opinions. For example, why didn't he listen to advice? He wanted things his way. Empathetic. It means who understands others' feelings. For example, why did she comfort her sad friend? She tried to understand his feelings. Hardworking. Anyone who puts in effort consistently is known as hardworking. For example, why did she finish the project easily? She worked every day without delay. Narrow minded. It means who rejects new ideas. For example, why did he refuse all suggestions? He doesn't like change. Honest. It means who tells the truth. For example, Why do people trust him easily? Because he is honest, polite. It means who is well mannered. For example, why did everyone like her? She is polite, rude. It means who is bad mannered. For example, why was the customer angry? The staff spoke very badly.